Friends, ladies and gentlemen, service is the flavor of this installation meeting that so many of you have turned up at Utsav, our celebration of service.
The title is Utsav, and Utsav is such a joyous, such an occasion.
And for us it's very special, and we wanted to celebrate this day, so it says Utsav.
Be a gift to the world. A beautiful theme it is. There is a deep down philosophy which is worth understanding.
The good wishes of all my other family members, my friends and colleagues, and very importantly, my extended family, the Mahanagar family.
They want Narendra Modi to know that there is a club called Kolkata Mahanagar which does so much of work.
Who's who of Rotary in India, Rotary in the world, the who's who of Kolkata is present here to add wind to our winds. No task now seems difficult, no dream unattainable.
यहाँ के जिला स्कूल में बच्चों के भविष्य के साथ कैसा खिलवाड़ हो रहा है, आप खुद ही देख लीजिए। संडे मंडे की स्पेलिंग,
While this may not be the scenario in most rural schools, but there are thousands where this is a reality. No wonder surveys show that children of class 6 are unable to read texts of class 2. There are innumerable schools with single teacher, or there is rampant absenteeism or subletting of the job of the teachers. Under the Teacher Support Program, some of the major activities Rotary India Literacy Mission has taken up are teacher training, under which hundreds of teachers were trained during the last year, and our goal is to train 5,000 teachers across the country. Providing supplementary teaching to laggard students. Recognition of 3,000 outstanding teachers by awarding Nation Builder Awards across India. An independent survey was done in many schools in Maharashtra, and some of the interesting findings were that in some schools the attendance has increased, the learning abilities of children have improved, and the children in general were happy a lot. These schools were fitted with e-learning facilities. With this medium of instruction, children start comprehending better. They listen to better language, and naturally start speaking better language. Hopefully, on the day of reckoning at an interview, a child from such school will match their abilities in comprehension, in knowledge, and in speaking ability with the children from any premier school in the country. Over the last 1 year, more than 500 schools have started e-learning facilities and now we are poised to take the number to 10,000 in the forthcoming years, as we have finalized the vendors for software as well as hardware. All her life, Lata Devi was embarrassed now and then. Every time somebody asked her to read or write something or even put her signature, the thumb mark had become a curse in her life. Lata Devi is amongst India's 26 crores adult illiterates and from 33% of the world's total illiterates. This is Kusum studying in class 9 of Chaurungi High School. She has decided that she will remove the curse of Lata Devi from her life by making Lata Devi literate in the next 3 months. Under Rotary India Literacy Mission's Rotary India Global Dream Program. Like Kusum, more than 60,000 students across 8 states in India are trying to change the curse of illiteracy from the lives of 60,000 illiterates like Lata Devi and others today. Very soon, Lata Devi will sit for an examination conducted by National Institute of Open School, from where she will get the certificate stating that she is literate, that she can read, write and do arithmetic to the level of class 2 standards. For Rotary, it is one of its most ambitious programs, where more than 60,000 children in Kolkata, Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Jharkhand, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana and Maharashtra are trying for the last 3 months to make 60,000 adults literate. Also, more than 100 literacy centers have come up all over India trying to educate adults. The cost for converting one adult into literate varies from Rs 100 to Rs 300. Soon the figures will rise and we will not only reach our goal but surpass it from our set target of educating 1 lakh adults. Looking at Prakash, one would feel that he is just back from the muddy football ground, having had wonderful times with his friends. The reality is, for the last few hours, the 10-year-old Prakash has been helping his parents in one of the brick kiln near Kolkata. At this tender age, he helps his parents to be able to make bricks at the brick kiln where they work. Once this is done, he has more chores to do, like looking after his younger sister while the parents are gone. Prakash probably would love to go to school, but his wandering parents neither can afford nor is it possible for them to send Prakash to school. Prakash and all such children in brick kiln speak in Hindi, but there is no school in the vicinity in Bengal where they can study in Hindi. RILM came to the help of Prakash and 100 such other children in 2 brick kiln. Where they cannot go to school, we brought schools to them. Under a roof, makeshift they may be, but this 6 months course has kindled this spark within Prakash to go to school. His parents and all his friends have now gone back to Bihar. RILM is following up to see that these children get admitted in the school in their respective areas.
When I say I'm proud to engage with the Teach campaign, I do not limit myself to only this one compliment. By the time I could come on stage, me and Shekhar Dha could sit down and broker a deal. I have gotten a promise from him on behalf of the entire Rotary family that in the next 1 year, the Teach program of Rotary family will help us get 1 lakh children all across the country back to schools.
RILM, under the Asha Kiran A Ray of Hope program, is supporting Prakash through the NGO to go back to school. Currently, 2,200 vulnerable children are being prepared to be sent back to school, and preparations are on to put 1 lakh more back to school. Raju Shetty is regularly irregular in going to his school. He finds school uninteresting and boring. Why not? Let's see his school. Leaking roof, peeling paint, the broken floor, games are distant dream for him. Toilets he has never seen in his school, and the water is as dirty as his neighborhood ponds. Over the last 1 month, however, Raju yearns to go to school. In fact, he does not want to come back. Let's see why. His school is now a happy school because of the efforts of Rotary Club of Bangalore IT Corridor. The roof does not leak anymore. The walls are beautifully painted. They have benches and desks. There is a library in school too. The water is filtered. The floor is beautiful and they have well-maintained toilets too. Over the last 1 year, more than 100 happy schools have come up all over India from our goal of making 1000 happy schools. The result would be that hundreds of thousands of Rajus will have better attendance with no dropouts and will enjoy learning and will become educated now.
In the journey of service, there are no goals to reach, but only milestones to cross. Today, on the 25th anniversary, as we reflect back, we see the needs were many, and so was our passion to serve. Today, we take you through some of the milestones in this journey of service. There is no need greater than the need for blood in the times of crisis. The world comes crashing down on families that need blood, and blood is not available anywhere. But in Calcutta, if it is not available anywhere, Mahanagar Bloodline will surely provide it. Till now, we did it through the 35,000 strong database of blood donors. And just last month, we have launched a mobile app, Bloodline. Now, blood in Kolkata is only a few clicks on your phone. We feel blessed that at our eye hospital, HC Garg Mahanagar Nethralaya, till date, we have been able to give eyesight back to 6,500 elderly people through free IOL surgeries. From this year, the annual number will go up to more than 2,500 eye surgeries. We are soon installing equipment worth 30 lakh rupees for glaucoma care. Supporting National Polio Eradication Drive has been a passion for Rotarians of Mahanagar. For the last many years, there has not been a single NID when the Rotarians of Calcutta Mahanagar were not out in the street and in homes immunizing every child in the Bada Bazar area. We feel blessed that in the history of polio eradication, we played our role. In keeping with the Rotary India Literacy Mission initiative of literacy, we are doing our bit under basic literacy and education. Rotary International President-elect John Germ launched our club's program of e-learning in 100 schools in rural West Bengal by presenting projectors and world-class software to 5 of these rural schools. We believe these smart classes will revolutionize the way the rural kid learns, comprehends, remembers, and expresses himself or herself, and enable them to match up to the urban kids. Rotary Calcutta Mahanagar is also committed to setting up 100 libraries in government or government-aided schools in the next 6 months. Work has already started. Soon, libraries will spring up in 100 schools in West Bengal. We are doing our bit under the Asha Kiran program. Our club is one of the 4 mega star Asha Kiran clubs in India, having sponsored to send back to school 500 children. Calcutta Mahanagar supports education of 150 children by providing wind to their wings as they take their flight of education under the program Udan. These children of electricians, taxi drivers, daily laborers, when equipped with these scholarships, shine as bright stars in their schools in academics and sports. We feel overjoyed knowing that we have done our little bit in changing their lives for good.
This year I have got full scholarship for 1 year as my result was good enough.
Each time we met them, they were crestfallen, they were broken, they had lost everything, their homes and all their belongings. The shelter kits are specially created relief boxes for disaster victims with 52 items of survival and daily necessities were and are the biggest boon for them during disasters. Over the last 10 years, we have served 20 disasters in India and helped 30,000 disaster survivors. We handed over 500 homes to tsunami survivors in Hut Bay Islands in Andaman and Nicobar Island. For 2 months, they were living on the roads under plastic sheets after the tsunami washed away their homes and so many of their dear ones. One had to see the expression of relief when they got their keys to their homes created by Rotary Calcutta Mahanagar and its partners under Together We Will. We take pride that we are becoming a meaningful contributor to the Swachh Bharat dream of our Prime Minister. We have undertaken to build 1,000 toilets in rural Bengal and have already started the work. No more going to the open fields because we are helping bring dignity to their homes. Mahanagar prides itself in the Mahanagar Peace Park. This beautifully curated park adjoining the Victoria Memorial is the home for chirping birds, fragrant flowers and the walking destination for hundreds of people day after day. A beautiful gift to Kolkata. The ability to make a living sometimes needs only a little support. A sewing machine, a cycle van, training in beautician, nursing, driving, etc. provide means of livelihood with dignity to a person who is happy to repay the same in our this microcredit endeavor, bringing smiles to their lives. The resources for various programs are collected through donations. Major amounts are received through the Rotary Foundation and through our annual fundraiser, India Heart. In the last 10 years, we have raised more than 1.5 crores through India Heart, the exhibition cum sale which has become an important date in the social calendar of Calcutta. We firmly believe that wonderful service activities happen when the bonding between the members becomes strong. These fellowships help the members bond together, leading to lifetime friendships, and when working together becomes fun, whatever be the challenge, the members come together and overcome it.
Many eminent people became its presidents over the years, leading the club efficiently, making it one of the premier Rotary clubs. the club had the privilege of giving a district governor in Shekhar Mehta, who went on to become a director, Rotary International, only the second one ever in the 110 years of existence of Rotary from this part of the Rotary world. He, along with Raj Somani, have been bestowed by Rotary International the coveted Service Above Self Award for their outstanding contribution in service activities.
Our efforts over the years have touched the lives of lakhs of people, bringing smiles on their faces, many a times changing the course of their lives for the better. We seem to have lived up to the ethos of caring, sharing, and of service above self. The highlight of our today's celebration is crossing the milestone of 750 heart surgeries of little children. The youngest child we have operated upon was only 4 days old. Each time we could make a gasping child walk again, we counted our blessings. Raju, Tuhin, Aslam, Shilpa, and 750 of them all are smiling faces of these children. Rotary Mahanagar also had the privilege of doing more than 175 surgeries at the request of our Chief Minister. These children come from all over India. More than 50 children have come from faraway Pakistan and Bangladesh. And one can see the joy and thankfulness in their eyes when they leave back, taking their happy and healthy child with their little hearts having been healed by Rotary Calcutta Mahanagar. Some of their blessings are lifetime memories for us. Like the mother of Salman Hussain said, मेरे बच्चे की पैदाइश तो पाकिस्तान में हुई, लेकिन इसे जिंदगी हिंदुस्तान से मिली। इसकी रगों में पाकिस्तानी और हिंदुस्तानी खून दोनों है। Friends, we feel blessed that we are celebrating our 25th year charter anniversary with the culmination of 750 heart surgeries of little children.
Gauri is 10-year-old. She does not go to school. Spends her time playing and doing menial household works. Her parents, father deserted the family in 2006. Mother remarried and deserted her in 2013. A child, shaky, scared, insecure, with no hopes or aspiration. There are several Gauris.
আমার নাতনি আমি কলকাতা যাই আর এটা ওটা ঘুরে মহিত মাস্টার একদিন বলল যে পড়াশোনা করুক না, তা আমি পড়াশোনা করে কি হবে, কোনো লাভ নেই। ও থেকে ঘুরতেছে ঘুরকে আর দেখবার লোক নিয়ে তা ওটা যায়। ফের একবার মহিত মাস্টার বললো যে দাও না এখানটা, দিলে ভালো হবে। তা এর কেউ নেই, দেখবে শুনলেন লোক নেই। তা বলছে তুমি বলছো যখন খালি খালি পছন্দ করছো এখন তা পড়াশোনা করুক, করলে যদি একটু ভালো হয়, একটু বুঝ যদি হয়, জ্ঞান হয় তাহলে করুক।
Today, Gauri is ready to step into the world of literacy. She has already been admitted to a government school She is visibly excited. The transformation was brought about by Rotary Calcutta Mahanagar through its project Asha Kiran in association with Nishtha. Gauri was identified as a needy child. Her guardians were counseled to make Gauri study.
আপন কাজে কঠোর হতে পাষাণ দিল দীক্ষা.
She was given basic education in Nishtha to fit into a school. She gave interview and was selected by the school. Her future now smiles.
আশা কিরণ প্রকল্পের মাধ্যমে আমরা 7 থেকে 12 বছর পর্যন্ত বাচ্চাদের চিহ্নিত করি যারা এখনো পর্যন্ত স্কুলে যায়নি বা ভর্তি হয়নি। সেই সকল ছাত্রছাত্রীদের আমরা সেন্টারে এনে পড়াশোনা 6 মাসের মতো পড়াশোনা করাই, তারপরে তাদের আমরা স্কুলে ভর্তি করি। তারপরে আমরা 3 মাস তাদের ফলো আপ করি যে তারা ঠিকমতো স্কুলে যাচ্ছে কিনা। আশা কিরণ প্রকল্পের মাধ্যমে আমাদের গ্রামের ছেলেমেয়েরা খুব উন্নত হয়েছে এবং তারা স্কুলে যাতায়াত করছে। এই প্রকল্পের ফলে এখানে গ্রামবাসীদের খুব উপকৃত।
There are several Gauris. Let us pledge to rid illiteracy. Rotary Calcutta Mahanagar has pledged to help this Gauri and 500 such Gauris. You too can help a Gauri by contributing only ₹2100.
আমি রঞ্জন মোদক, আমার মেয়ের নাম হচ্ছে মল্লিকা মোদক। আমরা আশা করেছিলাম আমার এই মেয়েটার পড়াশোনা হবে না, ছোটো থেকেই ওর একটু অন্যরকম ছিল। তারপর আমরা খেটে খাওয়া মানুষ, মাঠে ঘাটে কাজকর্ম করি, বাচ্চাদের প্রতি তত লক্ষ্য রাখতে পারি না। কিন্তু এই বাপি মাস্টারমশাই এসে আমাদের আশার আলো একটু দেখলো। বাড়ির মাস্টারমশাই এসে মল্লিকার ডেকে নিয়ে শুনলাম পড়াতে নিয়ে গেছে। সেখান থেকে আমাদের ডেকে বলল যে রঞ্জনদা, তোমার মেয়ের পড়াশোনা তো হবে, চেষ্টা করছি যাতে ভালো হয়। তাই 7 মাস আগে উনি স্কুলে ভর্তি করিয়েছেন। এখন দেখছি মোটামুটি মেয়েটা পড়াশোনা টুকটাক চালু করেছে।
10, 4, 24, 10, 5, 25, 10, 6, 26।
আমি আশা কিরণ প্রকল্পের একজন শিক্ষক। আমি গ্রামে গ্রামে ঘুরে 7 থেকে 14 বছরের যে সমস্ত ছেলেমেয়েরা এখনও স্কুলে যায় না এবং তাদেরকে চিহ্নিত করি এবং আমাদের আশা কিরণ প্রকল্পের সেন্টারে নিয়ে পড়াই। তার 2 থেকে 3 মাস পরে গিয়ে সরকারি স্কুলে গিয়ে ভর্তি করি।
স্কুলে যেতে চাই আর পড়াশোনা করতে চাই আর স্কুলে বড় হয়ে দিদি